penguins, it's me, Jamie-Lynn. In today's video I'm going to be making and mixing slime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's take a look. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the ingredients I'm using today. The first one was slime glue. Now I have my slime activator. Next will come my dyes. I'm using pink and blue because I'd like to make two different slimes today. And next I have my baking soda. And last but not least, I have glitter to put in there. You guys know how much I love glitter. So I'm going to start with my slime glue. Now because I want to make two slimes today, I'm only going to use half of the glue in this container. And I'm going to use half of the glue for the other slime I'm going to make. Next I'm going to put my dye in. Now I'm going to start with the pink dye today. And I'm going to pop about 8 drops in there. Just because I want the colour to be really consistent and bright. Next I'm going to go ahead and add my baking soda. Now I'm just following the instructions that the box gave me to make my slime. Now it's time to just mix all of those ingredients together to make sure that they're all smooth. Perfect, and now it's time for the activator. Now I'm going to add this in bit by bit just to make sure that it all comes together as well as I want it to. This was quite a slow process, but I really wanted my slime to be perfect, so it's better that it takes a long time than me to rush it and it go wrong. The consistency keeps changing every time I add the activator, and it's almost at a perfect consistency. Now I've got the slime the way I want it, so I'm just going to take it out of the container. I'm going to start kneading it in my hands. It's really fun to play with. And now it's time for the glitter. This is my favourite part. I'm going to put loads in there. And I'm just going to start kneading it in my hands. This is just to make sure that the glitter spreads throughout the slime. And I'm just going to add a little bit more in there. Can never have enough glitter. Now that slime's all finished, I'm going to move on to my next slime. Now I'm using the other half of the slime glue for this one. And I'm going to add in my blue dye drops. Again, I'm adding about 8 drops in, the same as I did with the pink slime. And again, I'm going to add my baking soda in, following the instructions on the box. My spoon didn't fit inside of the baking soda tub, so I had to pour it on the best I could. I made a little mess. Now that's cleared up, I can go ahead and mix it all together before we add our activator. Perfect, now that's all mixed together, I'm going to start adding my slime activator in. Again, I'm doing this gradually just to make sure that it all mixes in properly. Again, this was a very long process, but that's okay because I want my slime to be perfect. When I feel that it's at the right consistency, I've just taken it out of the container and I'm going to knead it in my hands again, the same as I did with the pink slime. The blue slime is a slightly different consistency to the pink slime. It's slightly thicker than the pink one, but that's okay. I like the way that this feels to play with too. This is my favourite part of the video because now it's time to add glitter again. I'm making sure I get loads of glitter on there to make sure it spreads all throughout my blue slime. And again, I'm just going to knead it with my hands just to make sure that the glitter spreads all throughout the slime.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this side.
So now both of my coloured slimes are finished. I'm going to go ahead and start mixing them together. And there we have it, my slime's all finished and it's turned into a lovely purple colour. I love the way this slime's turned out today. I hope you guys liked it too. And there you have it, there's my gorgeous slime. I love this colour, it's so glittery. It's just amazing how those colours came together really well to make this beautiful purple colour. And it looked so much like a galaxy when I was mixing it. It was just great all round. I had fun making this. Did you guys have fun? If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. Also check out all of my squishy makeover videos. Thank you all for watching. Bye my little penguins. That was so satisfying.